In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to build a chatbot, a step-by-step guide. Before we build anything, let's lock down your workspace. From the main dashboard, click your profile picture in the bottom left, open Settings, then Data Controls, and toggle off the option labeled Improve the Model for Everyone. This keeps your project data private. If you're using the developer platform to create a commercial bot, your workspace is secure by default, but generate separate API keys for your code and never paste raw tokens into public chats. Next, choose your deployment path. If you want the fastest route without writing code, go with custom GPTs. Open Explore GPTs, click Create, and use the builder to write clear instructions and upload knowledge files. If you're embedding a bot in a web or mobile app, head to the developer dashboard and use the Assistance API. This container lets you add real-time web grounding, vector file search, and built-in code execution. Now let's design the brain. Skip vague prompts like act as a customer service bot. Press Shift plus Enter to craft a multi-line system prompt that sets authority and scope. For example, say, act as an elite full-stack developer, conversation designer, and prompt engineer. I want to build a highly responsive automated chatbot for your niche. Before you write any system files, ask me 3 targeted questions about tone boundaries, external API, data feeds, and core user containment goals so we can architect this perfectly. Then answer those alignment questions one at a time. When you've got enough detail, move the rules into a clean workspace. Type Canvas construct a formal system prompt instruction profile based on our data. Organize it into a table with core architecture rule, detailed operational directive, prohibited bot behaviors, and target JSON output examples. Your screen will split, keeping your prompt on the left and an editable system document on the right. With the canvas open, tweak logic inline, highlight any row, click the small comment bubble, and write the change you want. For instance, refactor the return policy rule. When asked for refund status, limit replies to 2 sentences, include a verified ticket tracker link placeholder, and format output as clean JSON. Only the highlighted block updates. Finally, test and export. If your profile generates code, hit run on Python, Node.js, or curl blocks to validate routing in the sandbox. Then open the header menu, choose export or download, and save your profile as Markdown, Word, or JSON for your editor or CI pipeline. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and